Welcome to Online Tools Master. Today, we're exploring the Digital Stamp Maker, the world's simplest online rubber stamp-to-digital stamp converter created by Browserling. This tool instantly turns any scanned rubber stamp or seal into a clean, transparent PNG digital stamp that you can place on documents, designs, presentations, and certificates. This tool removes the background, isolates the stamp design, refines edges, and lets you produce a ready-to-use PNG stamp with transparency. To use it, open your browser, search online pngtools.com, and head up to Digital Stamp Maker. Now, let's see 3 examples in action. Example 1. Create a digital stamp from a scanned stamp. Here is the input image. A scanned rubber stamp saying special delivery. And here is the output image showing the clean digital stamp. To create this result, we uploaded the scanned image, selected white as the background color to remove, set the color removal threshold to 30% to keep sharp contours, enabled smooth stamp edges with depth 1, and set stamp transparency to 100% for a fully opaque result. Here is the final clean digital stamp, and to download it, simply click Save As. Example 2. Convert an 1892 Belgian seal. Here is the input image, a very old seal from 1892 photographed for the National Archive, and here is the output image showing the cleaned digital seal. To produce this result, we uploaded the photo, clicked on the seal's background to select its color RGBA 150, 143, 137, 255, set color matching intensity to 25% to remove shadows and inconsistencies, and kept opacity at 100%. Here is the final digital seal ready for archiving, and to download it, click Save As. Example 3. Convert a JPG photo of a law firm, stamp into a digital stamp. Here is the input image, a JPG photo of a stamp used by a law firm. And here is the output image showing the extracted digital stamp. To achieve this, we uploaded the JPG photo, selected white as the background color, set the color sensitivity to 40% to remove all white shades and shadows, enabled smooth stamp edges with depth 1, and set stamp opacity to 60% so the digital stamp appears slightly transparent on documents, allowing text to show through. Here is the final semi-transparent digital stamp, and to download it, just click Save As. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check our last videos on Create Translucent Icon and Add Outline to Logo, both very useful for your design workflow. Try the Digital Stamp Maker yourself at onlinepngtools.com, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful tutorials.